This winter Wonderland white hot chocolate, it is fun. It is delicious. It is festive. And guess what? If you stay through to the end of the video, I have some storage tips too on the ingredients that we're using in this recipe. So don't miss out on those. By the way, this is very distracting. I feel like a cat. Okay, let's get to making it. The first thing that you're gonna do is take your milk and your half and half, you're gonna add that to a saucepan. And we're gonna warm that over a medium heat. The important part is when you're cooking this, you don't want that to boil. You just want it to come up and steam, so be careful. Once it's steaming, turn down the heat to medium-low and then add in, boom, your CBD. This is the perfect recipe for chilling out with friends by the fireplace. This time of year can get stressful for people, can be hard for people, so it's a great recipe for that. And you know what, if you do use the CBD, you'll be chill as you know. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add in those white chocolate chips. So this is really important. You add them in slowly and stir continuously. You don't want those chocolate chips to burn on the bottom. Keep that moving until the chocolate is completely incorporated into the milk mixture. This will take about 5 minutes. Okay, so now you're gonna add in that vanilla extract. Add in your salt and stay through to the end of this video because I got some storage tips about that stuff just for you. And now if you want, add in the drops of blue food coloring. You're gonna take some whipped cream, you're gonna add that to 4 heat-resistant glasses and just swirl it around the sides. Just a nice little decor thing. Okay, so we have our hot chocolate, we have our glasses, everything's ready. So go ahead and add that hot chocolate to the glass, top on some, you guessed it, more whipped cream. Add that whipped cream, add in your holiday sprinkles, and now let's get to just the tip. I promised you some storage options, here are some storage options. So, can you drink expired milk? Yes. So if it's unopened, 10 days past the expiration date, that milk is still good to drink. You can still drink it. If it's open, for about a week past the expiration date, you can still drink that milk. So don't toss it out just because of the date on the carton, okay? Okay. What about vanilla extract? Does that stuff ever go bad? Well, here's the thing. No. Pure vanilla extract, not the imitation stuff, pure vanilla extract lasts indefinitely, but I recommend using it within 5 years. That's where you can have that peak flavor. So chocolate chips. You got some chocolate chips in the pantry, you're wondering if like, hey, are they good? Here's the thing with chocolate chips. Stored at room temperature in a cool, dark place, those chocolate chips will last about a year. Now, if you put them in the fridge, they'll last about 2 years. And in the freezer, even longer. So that's how long you can keep those chocolate chips around. Now, what if your chocolate chips have turned white, right? You see them, you're like, are they good? Can I eat them? Will I die? Is it tasty? Here's the thing about those chocolate chips. So it's 2 things that could be happening. It's called a bloom. So there's the fat bloom, and that's where like the cocoa butter is like separating from the candy and moving to the surface of the chocolate. So that's one of the blooms that could be happening. The second one is a sugar bloom, and that means you're storing your chocolate somewhere where there's too much moisture, and that moisture is extracting the sugar, and that sugar bloom is working its way to the surface of the chocolate. In both cases, the chocolate is still good to eat. Now, if it's moldy or smells bad, obviously toss it, but don't throw it out just because it's white. See you guys next time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Something you want to see? You know the rules, drop a comment down below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe.